Today, I'm going to show you a new way to earn money where you will earn $6 every 60 seconds just by watching videos. So first, I want you to go to this website. This website is completely free, safe and legal. As you can see, you can earn by completing surveys, watching videos and TV shows, and making offers. However, for the purpose of these videos, we're going to focus on watching videos because that's what you already do every day, and it pays you the most money with the least effort. So go ahead and click on the Watch TV option. Now let me explain to you how this website works. First step, create a free user account on this site. Second step, choose the channel you are interested in. After that, start watching TV shows and videos. After watching those videos, points will be credited to your account. You can also watch out for more income by switching between different channels. And finally, exchange your points for cash or gift cards. It's that easy. So make sure you watch this video until the end to understand probably how this website works. As mentioned earlier, the first step is to create a free account on this website. To do this, go to the main page and enter your email address and create password, and just click on register. You can also use your Facebook or Google account to sign up for an easier experience. Now, after logging into your account, you can check how much you can earn on this website. You can see people earn from $200 to $500, and you can be the next person all these people earn by watching videos. The best part is that there are tons of videos available here, all of which are raised daily, which means that there are endless opportunities for you to earn here just by watching videos. Click on the watch on the left to start. After that, you will see these boxes with the word Hideout TV and Notably on them, and if you hover over them, you'll see their offer details. Then select Notably by clicking on this start button. You will then be redirected to this page where you can select the category of videos. You can choose from food categories or random videos. On the right side, you can see how many points you can get in the respective hands. For example, if I select food, I will be redirected to this website. As you can see, you need to register for a free account to do this. Enter your email address, create a password, and just click register. After create an account, you enter this page. You can watch all the videos in the food categories. This website allows you to watch as many videos as you want. Now, if I click on this, for example, I will be redirected to another page where I have to watch at least a few seconds of the video to earn money. For a bonus tip on how to maximize your earnings, you can watch as many videos as you like in different tabs at the same time. This way you can watch a lot of videos while doing other things. So you can make the most money in the least amount of time and effort. You can watch more videos by clicking on all of these videos on the right. So you can make money online just by watching videos using this website called Zoombox.com, which accepts people for all over the world.